Have you ever wondered how an international B23 mower goes together? Well, I did. I was trying to take it apart. This bit was broken before, and I ended up, I just braced it in place. And I couldn't figure out how the hell that bar there went together onto the machine, onto the frame, onto the bar, everything. It turns out, I don't know if you can see that, it's threaded. And so just uncouple this bit here and the detent bar and that bar there. I can't see a thing. You can see that bar there? Doesn't matter. And if you uncouple the angle adjuster and the detent bar, the safety detent, you can screw it off. Just a thread on there. Let me see if I can. I don't know. Look at that. It's in. I'll have to put this back on now and figure it out. Joys of. See, there ain't exactly a small piece of cast iron. Skin for a smacking at it. Would have been easier to turn it if I ran this off.